For this recipe, you will need soy sauce, sesame oil, green peas, green onions, bell peppers, ginger garlic, onions, rice, cauliflower, 2 eggs, and bacon. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm cutting the bacon into smaller pieces. It's about an inch piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and fry up the bacon pieces. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cook the bacon. So basically we're frying up the bacon now, and you can fry it as crisp as you like. I'm going to let this fry and I'll be right back. Alright, so my bacon is crispy, not too crispy, but it's at a level that I like. So I'm going to remove it and put it on this paper towel. Okay, and that's the bacon. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and cook the vegetables. I have some sesame oil here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. I have the peas, the onions, and the ginger and garlic. And we're going to give this a stir. So the veggies have been cooking for about 3 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and push them to the side. And I'm going to go and add some more sesame oil. And then I'm going to cook the eggs. So see, the eggs is already cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it in with the veggies. And now I'm going to go ahead and add our rice. And this is cauliflower rice. Now I'm going to give them all a stir. Alright, so now I'm going to add a little soy sauce. Let's mix that in. And now I'm going to add the bacon. Here's our bacon. And now we're going to give this a stir. I'm also going to add half of the green onions. The rest we will use for the top. And that's basically it, guys. That's our bacon fried rice. Let me go ahead and plate this up, and I'll be right back. It looks so yummy, guys. I can't wait to eat. Look at that. And while I'm plating the rice, I want to just give you guys a reminder to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And remember those green onions that we set aside? We're going to go ahead and sprinkle them on top, and we're done. Enjoy. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. And as always, I thank you all for watching.